Hi students, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss about construction of tangent to a circle. From the exercise 11.2, let's see the first question. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their length. Now see, I will explain you how to solve the sum. First, draw a circle of radius 10 cm. You know how to solve circle by using radius. First, take a scale and compass, measure 6 cm. Okay, 0 to 6 cm. Okay, now consider as this your center. Then draw a circle. Centimeter. Now measure the length. This is 6 centimeter. Now see the second line from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. 10 centimeter away from its center. Now which is your center? You can measure, give a name O as a center. Okay. Now this from this the same center you have to measure 10 centimeter. Now you can use the scale. This is 0. Now this is 10 centimeter. Okay. So already 6 centimeter inside the circle. Then you can extend 4 centimeter outside. Okay, 4 centimeter. So totally this is 10 centimeter. Now you can draw a perpendicular bisector of this 10 centimeter. Okay. See how to solve the perpendicular bisector. Now you can give a name P. The new point that is P. Now OP equals 10 centimeter. Draw a perpendicular bisector. How to solve perpendicular bisector? See, keep your compass point as a center. Then measure more than half of this line. OP line. More than half of the OP line. Now I am measuring more than half of the OP line. Okay. Then make an arc like this. Now don't change your compass measurement. Then change the point P next side. Okay. Now keep your compass point at P. Then again make an arc. Okay. Now join the two points. Now you have an intersection. Two arcs are intersecting here. This 2 points. You just join the points. Okay. Now this perpendicular bisector intersect OP at O dash. This is your new center point. Now this perpendicular bisector intersect your OP at point O dash. Okay, new point O dash. Now you consider this O dash as a new center. Okay, new center. Then make this O dash O as the radius. Okay, you no need to measure with the scale. You just measure by using compass. Keep your compass point as a new center O dash. Then consider your radius is O dash O. Now make a circle. Now we are making a new circle. See the two end points O and P. Okay. Now the new circle intersects the previous circle at the 2 points. These 2 points. Okay. Now these 2 points are, you can give a name T and Q. Okay. P and Q. Now join PT and PQ. By using scale, join PT and PQ. Okay. Now PT and PQ join. This is known as your tangents of the circle. Okay. From outside the point you can draw 2 tangents to the circle. Now PT and PQ are the required tangents. Okay. Now you can extend like this. If you want, you can extend. Okay. Now just join O and T. This is for justification. So now we solve the tangents of the circle. Okay. 6 centimeter, that is original given circle is 6 centimeter. Now you have a 10 centimeter away from the center. Now then solve a perpendicular bisector. You can get now new center O dash as a center, O dash as a radius. Now you can form a new circle. New circle intersect the previous circle at the 2 points T and Q. Okay. Now connect PT and PQ. These are the tangents of the circle. Okay. Now see the steps of construction. See the steps of construction. Simply you can write whatever you did. The same you can write as a steps of construction. Draw a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Draw a mark a point P at a distance 10 centimeter from the center O. OP equal 10 centimeter. Draw a perpendicular bisector. Third step. Fourth one, take O dash as a new center. Draw a circle of radius O dash O, which passes through a O and P and intersect the previous circle at the points T and Q. Okay. Then join PT and PQ. These are the required tangents. Now I tell you how to solve justification. See the justification. Join OT, OQ. Join OT, then OQ. Okay. Now you have a triangle, 2 triangles, but take only one triangle OTP for justification. OT perpendicular to BT. See the diagram. OT is perpendicular to BT. Now see, it makes a 90-degree angle. Okay. So 90-degree angle here you have. So it's a right angle triangle. Now we are going to measure the length of the tangent. Now this is in this triangle OP 10 centimeter. OT, what is OT? OT is the radius of the circle. So this is also 6 centimeter. Now we can easily measure the length of PT. Okay. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. OP squared equal OP squared hypotenuse. You can use hypotenuse. OP squared equal OT squared plus TP squared. Okay. The biggest side, the lengthiest side is known as the hypotenuse. So OP squared equal OT squared plus PT squared. Now replace the value. OP 10, OT 6 centimeter. So 100 equal 36 plus pt square. We need only pt square value. Then rearrange 100 minus 36, 64. pt squared equal to 64. Therefore, pt equal 8 centimeter. pt equal 8 centimeter. So, both tangents now drawn the two tangents. Both tangents have the same length. So, pt is 8 centimeter. Therefore, pq also 8 centimeter. That's it. Thank you.